No, the elevator stopped.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
My name is Mr. Brown. I'm the building manager.
Please help me, I'm stuck.
Don't worry, stay calm.
I'm trying, but I'm a little scared.
That's understandable. Are you alone?
Yes, I'm alone.
Which floor were you going to?
The 7th floor.
Okay, the elevator stopped between the 6th and 7th floors.
Can you fix it?
I've already called the repair team.
How long will it take?
About 15 minutes.
15 minutes? I have a meeting soon.
I'm sorry about that.
Is everything okay inside the elevator?
Yes, are the lights on?
Yes, they are.
Can you breathe normally?
Yes, I can.
Good. Please don't try to open the doors.
I won't.
Do you want me to call your office?
Yes, please.
What's your name?
My name is Emma Wilson.
Which company do you work for?
Bright Star Company.
I'll call them and explain the situation.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Is the repair team close?
Yes, they are almost here.
That's good to hear.
They should arrive in about 5 minutes.
Thank you for staying with me.
Of course, you're not alone.
I feel much better now.
Great. Everything will be okay.
Oh, I think the elevator's moving.
Yes, the repair team fixed the problem.
The doors are opening.
You're safe now.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day.
I will. I think I'll use the stairs tomorrow.
That's not a bad idea.
Hello, how can I help you? I bought this dress yesterday. Okay, what's the problem? There is a stain on the back. Let me have a look. Here it is. I can see the stain. I didn't wear the dress. Are you sure? Yes, the tags are still on. You're right, the tags are still attached. I found the stain when I took the dress out of the bag. I'm very sorry about that. I think someone tried it on before I bought it. That's possible. Can I exchange it for a clean one? Of course. What size do you need? Medium, please. And what color? Blue. Let me check our stock. Sure. Good news, we have one more in your size. Really? Yes, I'll bring it for you. Thank you. Here it is. Let me check it first. Take your time. Perfect, there are no stains. I'm glad to hear that. Can I exchange it now? Yes, of course. Do I need to pay anything? No, it's an even exchange. That's great. I'm really sorry for the inconvenience. It's okay, these things happen. Thank you for your understanding. Thank you for helping me. You're welcome. Enjoy your new dress. I will. Have a nice day. You too. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Excuse me. Yes, sir. How can I help you? I think there's a mistake on my bill. I'm sorry to hear that. May I see it? Sure, here you are. Thank you. Let me check. I only ordered a burger and a bottle of water. I see. Your bill says $42. Yes, but that doesn't seem right. You're correct. Let me look at each item. Okay. The burger is 18. That's right. The water is free today. Yes. Oh, I found the problem. What is it? A chocolate cake was added to your bill. I didn't order any cake. You're right, that belongs to another table. I thought so. There is another mistake. Really? A premium service charge was added by accident. I didn't ask for that either. I'm very sorry. I'll remove both charges. Thank you. Your new total is $18 plus tax. That looks correct. We apologize for the mistake. It's okay. Mistakes happen. As an apology, your burger is free today. Really? That's very kind of you. We hope you'll visit us again. I definitely will. Thank you for your understanding. Thank you for fixing the bill. You're welcome. Have a wonderful day. You too. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Taxi! Taxi!
Excuse me, I think I saw the taxi first.
Really? I was waving first.
I've been waiting here for 10 minutes.
I've been waiting for almost 15 minutes.
Oh, that's a long time.
Yes, and it's starting to rain.
You're completely wet.
I forgot my umbrella this morning.
I'm sorry to hear that.
How was your day?
Honestly, not very good.
What happened?
I missed my train.
Oh no!
Then I got stuck in an elevator.
That's terrible.
After that, I forgot my office pass.
You really had a difficult day.
Yes, I did. What about you?
My boss gave me a lot of work.
That sounds stressful.
Then my phone battery died.
That's frustrating.
I just want to go home.
Me too.
You know what?
What?
We don't have to argue.
What do you mean?
We can share the taxi.
That's a great idea.
Where are you going?
I'm going to Oak Street.
Perfect. I'm going to Pine Street. It's on the way.
That's convenient.
Driver, can we share the ride?
Of course. Please get in.
This solved our problem.
Yes, sometimes sharing is the best solution.
I couldn't agree more.
Have a safe trip.
You too, and I hope tomorrow is a better day for both of us.
I'm sure it will be.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Good morning. Good morning, sir. Where are you going? I'm going to the 7th floor. May I see your office pass, please? Oh, no. Is something wrong? I forgot my office pass at home. I'm sorry, but I can't let you enter without it. I understand, but I work here. What is your name? My name is Mark Taylor. Which company do you work for? Bright Star Company. Which floor is your office on? The 7th floor. Can someone from your office confirm your identity? Yes, please call my manager, James. Do you know his extension number? Yes, it's 7042. Please wait a moment. Sure. Hello, Mr. James? This is security. Is Mark Taylor one of your employees? Yes, he is. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Mr. Mark, your manager confirmed your identity. That's great, thank you. I'll give you a temporary pass for today. I really appreciate that. Please return it before you leave the building. Of course. And don't forget your office pass next time. I won't, I promise. Everyone forgets something sometimes. That makes me feel better. Here is your temporary pass. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Have a good day. You too. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Excuse me, can you move, please?
I'm sorry, my ticket won't scan.
My train is leaving. Please hurry.
I'm trying, but the machine isn't working.
Try turning the ticket around.
Like this?
Yes, try again.
Oh, it worked. Thank you.
Great. Now run.
Go, go.
Oh, no.
What happened?
The train left.
I'm so sorry. That was my fault.
It's okay. It wasn't your fault. The machine was very slow.
Thank you for understanding.
Do you know when the next train is?
Let me check.
Okay.
The next train comes in 20 minutes.
Oh, no. I'm going to be late for work.
I'm really sorry.
Don't worry. These things happen.
Can I buy you a coffee while we wait?
That's very kind of you.
There's a coffee shop over there.
Okay, let's go.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher. I teach English.
That's nice. I'm an office worker.
Is your office near the station?
Yes, it's about a 5-minute walk.
That's convenient.
What about your school?
It's about 10 minutes from the station.
I hope your boss understands.
I think she will. I'll call her after my coffee.
Good idea.
What about you? Are you late too?
Yes, but only a little.
Well, we both had a difficult morning.
That's true.
At least we have time to relax now.
I like that way of thinking.
A bad morning doesn't mean a bad day.
Exactly.
Look, our train is coming.
Great. This time, let's get on early.
Good idea.
Have a great day.
You too, and don't forget to check your ticket next time.
I won't. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Excuse me.
Yes?
I think that's my locker.
Really? This is locker number 34.
That's strange. I thought my locker was number 34.
Are you sure?
Yes, I think so.
This is my lock.
My lock is blue too.
Mine is blue as well.
Oh, that's confusing.
Do you have your locker key?
Yes, let me check the number.
Sure.
Oh, wait.
What's wrong?
I made a mistake.
Really?
My locker is number 43, not 34.
The numbers are very similar.
I mixed them up.
It happens.
I'm so sorry.
Don't worry about it.
I thought someone had taken my locker.
I understand.
Thank you for being patient.
You're welcome.
I feel a little embarrassed.
There's no need to feel embarrassed.
Thanks, you're very kind.
We all make mistakes.
You're right.
Now go and find locker 43.
I will.
Maybe write the number on your phone.
That's a great idea.
Then you won't forget it next time.
Exactly.
Have a good workout.
Thank you, you too.
See you around.
See you.